everyone, welcome to iqCode. Today I'm going to show you how to make a title screen using Scratch. This is the website we are going to be using. Now I already have some two sounds here that I'm going to be using. You can get your sounds to use in this real quick. I recommend the click sound and the music sound for the background. I will be leaving these sounds in the description, so do not forget to check them out. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to make a title screen, and when you click play, you're going to start the game where you will be able to boo this cat. Okay. So first I want to hide the cat. We're going to be using it later. First we want to make the buttons for the game and the title. I'm going to show you an example of a title on the screen right now. So yeah, you're going to be making something like that. First, we're going to paint. And first I'm going to draw the title right there. Okay, we basically got the sprites. And now we're going to start with the coding. Events, when green flag is clicked, what it's going to do is change the sprite switch costume to title. Then, and it's also going to show, let's see, where was it? Yes, and looks, show, and when this is when it's the title, like costumes, when it's the title, I want it to be, this is currently in 00, and I may have run something in the I'm just going to center all these. I just realized I did something wrong and then it's supposed to be there. So we're going to do that. Okay, as you can see, I centered all the costumes in the middle. So now when we're at the title, I want to move this to like right here in Y145 and just write 999 so it can go all the way to the right as much as it can. Now from here, I want to put motion, go to this location, go to x343 y145, switch custom to title, and then it is going to glide 1 second to, actually no, I'm going to show you a really advanced method that is actually, that looks really good. It looks really good. That's why I'm going to check my code for that. As you can see, I added the script here. I changed the hide and I added this hide button right here, and I added this whole command. You can put anything here. It really doesn't change anything. It doesn't change literally anything. I don't know why, it just doesn't. I found this script by experimenting before in a contest, which I never got to finish my project, so that's sad. And please do not mind the sounds that are coming from outside. I don't know why, but they just started coming up. There's, I think, in construction. Okay, so as you can see, we added this, and if you look in the project with the back screen, as you can see, it's just coming in really cool. You can copy the code right here by freezing the video. Okay, we got this. Now we have to add the buttons, or how are we gonna even play the game? So when you start, just count how long it takes from there to come here. It takes like, I'll say 1.5 seconds. So when clicked, wait 1.5 seconds. And since I found this script, it's probably not the best, but yeah, I'm just using this because I think it's my best title I ever made. Wait 1.5 seconds, then let's say looks. Oh, also when it comes here, I wanted to make a. Oh yeah, just stay there. Okay. Actually, no. I don't think that will work. What I think will work because what will happen is whenever I click hi on trying to create copies, this title will go away, and after those are done, it will show, which is not a great idea. So what I'm thinking of is before the title comes here, it creates copies, like it creates clones, like hide, variable, I mean not variable, image, or yeah, create a clone of myself, and like looks, switch costume to play, I mean box, and like just copy this a bunch. 3, yeah, we'll make 3. This will be play, and this will be help. As you can see, there's a long line here. Okay, and then it will show and switch costume to title. Okay, now so you can see the clones are here. So rather than one click, wait 0.5, 1.5, we're going to do control when I start as a clone, wait 1.5 seconds, and look, just show. Yeah, it's right there in the middle. Now what we'll do is we'll see the costumes and the box. Let's say it's the box. I want this to be 0 and this to be -40. In the box, I will make the box go there, and that's what I'm going to do when I start to clone. If control if that operators equals, we're just finding what the current sprite is. I'm going to name this box looks costume name. The costume name is box. Then we're doing editing the box costume. Then control. Control. What it will do is it will motion and go to this location. Now I want to make the play. Also, I want to make the box costume a little transparent, so looks and ghost. Where's the ghost effect? Oh yeah, set ghost effect to, let's see. I will make this 50%. The higher, the more ghost. Yeah, as you can see, it's ghost right there. Now I'm going to clone this. I'm going to make this play. Set ghost. No, we're not going to do ghost effect. And let's say this is play. Make this 0. 40. Actually 35. Okay, and also not go to this, but go to this. Let's see, the play is right there. Now we're going to do the help, and you'll go to 0, 0. That's a little too low. Yeah, too low. It's a little less low. So I'm just going to make this negative 30. Good, as you can see, it's right there. We got it. Now I'm going to make the buttons working. What we're Okay, everyone, I just remembered that I am supposed to add the forever block. That's the whole problem, the forever block. Now it should be able to work. Yeah, it worked. It's only because I forgot to add the forever block. I'm really sorry. I have been doing Scratch for a while now. So yeah, I forgot. So whenever we start, okay, now I will add the sounds to the title. So whenever you click, it will play a sound. Title screen. I will just extract the sounds, the click, and events. I'm at the title screen sounds. I'm just going to add the theme song here. Looks. Control forever. Play sound, music until done, and play sound, click until done. Yeah, we got the sound, the music. Okay, as you can see, we got the game. Well, it's just too loud. It's just too loud. I need to lower the volume. And I guess we got the game, so I don't need to do that. Next episode for the title screen, I'm going to add a animation for the buttons and add the help button. So have a great day. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe and like this video, and do not forget to watch it till then. I guess you already did, so yeah. Have a great day. Thank you.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, 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 oh.